Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with a video after a very long time because of my hectic schedule at VIT. Whosoever is from VIT उसको तो पता ही होगा VIT का hectic schedule. So today I am going to discuss about my hostel booking experience, the offline hostel booking experience, which was very chaotic. So freshers are going to face this tomorrow, so I am quickly making this video because many of the freshers asked me on Telegram, Instagram, etc. कि दीदी कैसे करते हैं, कैसे हुआ ये वो ये. So let me clear all the doubts. So first of all, it's very easy. इतना पैनिक होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टेक ऑल द पीपल ID कार्ड जिसके साथ तुम्हें रूम लेना है, ठीक है. And then take the ID card whosoever have the highest rank among you. If I consider it as a 4-bedded thing, so like 4 ID cards along with your ID card, you go inside Channa Reddy Auditorium if it is in Channa Reddy Auditorium, which was for us. And then there will be this rooms number, like total number of bed displaying on the screen above like this. So basically उसमें there will be rooms written कि under this block, under this category how many rooms are remaining, which will keep on updating as the rooms goes. Okay, so like once the topper, who is the group topper, enters the Channa Reddy ka hall, he or she will be sitting there. For boys it is in Anna Auditorium and for girls it is Channa Reddy. Then basically they will explain you all the procedure first, okay, and you can ask doubts anytime if you want to them or to me. And then you will be called, the range will be called, like first of all they will call 100 to like 0 to 100, then 101 to 200, then 201 to 300, likewise till the last rank. So basically you have to first go and register yourself and your roommates first. So then you have to go and register. Behind the screen there will be a place where all of them are registering your ID cards. You will go give them the ID card, they will register it, and then you will come back and sit in the further row. Okay, then they will tell you where to sit, so you will sit, and then again they will call you token number wise. They will say that girls the token number is generated or boys the token number is generated. It will be generated on your mobile number, the registered mobile number. If you want to check if the registered mobile number is yours or your parents or anyone else, you can go to the profile in VTop and you can check in the profile section that whose phone number is written. If it is not yours, then you can contact your parents or someone else whose mobile number is written there. Okay, you will get a message of the token number. So the token number can be of your rank or a number below your rank. Suppose there are no people who are registering from 320 to 340, so your token number will be less than your rank. So basically टोकन नंबर तुम्हारे रैंक की जितना हो सकता है और लेस देन दैट. तो वट एवर इज द टोकन नंबर, नाउ दैट इज योर रैंक इज नॉट now not considered. So जो भी token number, like my rank was 301 but my token number was 272, so there is a difference between the token number and rank. Now they will call rank wise 20 people at a time. So it will be in a range of 20 or 40 people at a time. So they will be calling like 1 to 20 rank, 1 to 20 token number. अब rank का कोई काम नहीं है यहाँ पे. So then you will be moving to the Rajaji Hall. From Channa Reddy you will be going to the Rajaji Hall, which is in second floor. Second floor, right hand side, you will go to Rajaji Hall. And then you will go inside. There will be a whole chaotic situation going on and a big screen where your name will be mentioned. And there will be some queue numbers written there. So basically there are 6 queues and your name will be written in the screen, and after your name there will be the queue number written. So basically if you get Q4, Q6, Q7, it is up to 6. So whatever queue you get, you go to that queue, to that particular queue. There will be a computer screen where your name will be written, and then whosoever you have registered, their name will be written. Okay, so then there will be 4 people in that screen, and then they will tell you what room, what block, what type you want to select. They will select that. Then there will be a whole set of room numbers written. You can scroll it down, you can tell them to scroll it down, and select the room number very wisely. Okay, and you should be very quick on that, because if someone selects it before you in some another row, in some another queue, it gets over. So good rooms will get over soon. So write somewhere and go that whichever room you want, and then you select the room number quickly, and then they submit it, and then it's over. It is done. It's very simple, but then it is like yeah, you need to know the room numbers again, and then you will take the ID cards, you will come out, and then done. That's it. Then you have to check your VTOP, the room number and everything will be mentioned on the VTOP section. So that's it about the video, guys. I think it helped you. If you have any doubts regarding this hostel booking or FFCS or anything regarding VIT things, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.